good, YouTube, man? We back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But, you know, car parks take a while to come. And I see y'all been messing with them illegal takeovers, so we might have to go to a legal takeover. I got insurance now, registration, so we might have to go to a legal takeover. I don't know, I'm gonna let y'all know, but y'all already can tell by the title and the thumbnail what we got. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. You feel me? We went and got us a Viper hood from True Fiber. It's my first time using True Fiber. Y'all want a Viper hood, the hood I got, for the low, $250? Go to True Fiber. We're gonna see if the quality good. It's $250 for pickup. Let me change that. $250 for pickup. And there's an extra $250 delivery. So I paid about $550 for this. So we gotta go ahead and take this out the box and get this up out of my woman crib, because I already got another box over there. And then I got a bumper in my room. So I gotta get this stuff, you see me, going. But I'm gonna unpackage it. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Pick the camera back up when this hood is out the box. All right, YouTube, man, we finally got the hood unboxed. It took a little minute. I cut myself at the little stuff on the box, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the hood. This is how the hood look. The little scoop right there. I'm gonna take all this off when I'm about to put it on the car. They gave us a little keychain and all that. But I mess with it. It's alright. They got the little vents right there. It's metal. Wait, never mind. I think that's plastic. I don't know. But I mess with it. It's better than the OEM hood that come on the car, so boom. Then I gotta get it painted because my car is not white. Well, I might just get the whole car wrapped, but here, chat. I'm gonna pick the camera back up. When we throwing this thing on, man. When we putting this on the car, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. I don't know when I'm gonna install it, but ASAP. I can't install it myself. If I would, I know I would, but I don't know, I'm gonna see. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm outside putting it on. Alright, chat. We outside. We trying to get the I don't know what they call this, bro. I done looked up latch. I done looked up latch U-bolt. I done looked up everything to find the name of that. I guess it's called latch U-bolt. I don't know. But we trying to get this off to put it on my other one. I don't think this is gonna fit, but look, it don't hurt to try. So we trying to take this off. I then unscrewed it. You ain't got no muscle, boy. You ain't got no muscle. Cars is not the way to go. That bit was hard to come on. Probably because it's so old. Look at that. But we took it off. It took me about 20 minutes to find all these things. Forgot what y'all call it. I ain't worked on my car in so long. But it took me a little minute to find these bolts. Because they was all under the seat and stuff. So I'm about to start putting, if you can't respect my car, if you can't respect my tools, don't get in.
Nigga, shut up.
Because everybody get in my car, be like, you got tools everywhere. Whoop, whoop. Well, duh. But nah. I'm about to get some Scat Pack seats. Then that's when I'm going to clean up all my tools. Once I get my Scat seats, that's when I'm going to clean up my tools. But I'm about to go try to screw this on my other hood. And once I'm done, I'm going to get back to y'all of me and my brother installing the hood. I can't record that much because it's only two of us. And it's only two sides. And it's two sides. You feel me? So I would probably have to record the finished product or us unscrewing that or screwing the other hood back in. Who knows? We're going to see. I'm going to pick the camera back up when I do that. All right, chat. We back outside. took me about 5 minutes to screw that on the other hood. So we finna try to take this off right here. All this stuff is hard to do with one hand. I had a tripod, but I don't know what I did with the tripod. Yes, I am very irresponsible when it comes to, you feel me? Like when it comes to car parts and all that, I just put things everywhere, bro. And I haven't worked on this car in, sheesh, God knows how long. Let me check my coolant. I think I have a blown head gasket though, chat. I'm gonna get that fixed. I don't know what to do. I might just build the 5.7. Everybody telling me just build the 5.7. You know, I don't know. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna put this camera back up once we can get these screws off. I'm gonna try to get this hood off by myself. But I'm not putting the hood on by myself. My brother gonna help me. We're gonna see how the hood make the car look with the SRT bumper. Then I gotta change this fenders. I'm gonna get a used one off Facebook Marketplace for like $50. And I want the square headlights, the ones with the square. So you gonna see. I want the ones with the square. I gotta change this fender too. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it got like bumps, dents. But that's for a later day. This windshield, I don't know, for a later day. This intake is coming out. We changing that. So, you feel me? I'm finna take these out and I'll be right back. Chat, I managed to be able to record and unscrew it. This is what y'all want to do right here. I'm using a 14. It's a little bit big, so y'all might want to go with a 13.5. I'm holding the hood up with my head, so y'all chill. This right here hold it up, but the wind blowing so hard that the hood gonna fall. It's gonna shut. So I'm holding the hood with my head.
You ugly as shit. You ugly as shit.
If I ain't gonna be able to record these two screws at the top, cause once I unscrew that, the motherfucking hood gonna fall. So, but I am gonna pick the camera up soon as I unscrew them, so y'all can see how the car look without the hood. I always thought the Charger looked that far without a hood, so we're gonna see how it look without the hood once I take these off. I already loosened them. So I probably gotta go loosen that one over there. But we gonna see. Chat, doing that by yourself, man. Man, you had to disconnect the window squirters, whatever y'all call them. These cords, I don't know what these is. That bitch was hard to come off though. No wonder fool used the hood on that video I seen. But look how we looking, chat. I low-key like that no hood look. We gotta hurry up and get this hood on here. You know how Miami is. 1 minute is sunny, then the next is raining. But that bit go hard though. I like it. Out with the old. And we finna go get the new. I can't stop looking at this bit. That bit hard. Yeah, that bit hard. Would I ever take my hood off ever again? No. They be taking their hood off so easily. I had to unscrew every. Oh, that jump. Never again. So we finna hurry up and go get this other hood before my brother gotta go to work. And I'll be back with y'all, chat. Alright, YouTube. We got it screwed in. Whew. Boy, this hood was no joke. This bit heavy. So we got it all screwed in. I gotta fix my fender ASAP so I can fix this bumper. And I gotta get some bumper clips so my bumper can sit up right. Cause it look, I'm gonna be honest, it look kind of crazy cause the gap in it. There's a crazy gap. Cause look, see, this loose. Look, see chat? I gotta get some bumper clips. I gotta get some bumper clips and I gotta get a new fender. So the bumper can sit up like this. It's laying down like that. I need it to sit up like that. But other than that, we just, hold on. Let me show y'all. It need to be washed because my hand's dirty, so I touched it. You feel me? But yeah, that bit raw. But the gap, I don't like this gap. Y'all gonna see. Once I drop, like, see, if I pull it up, the hood ain't closed because the latch broke too. So if the hood closed and the bumper go up, it'll fix the gap. But this is what we rocking with right now for now. This is how we rocking. Yeah. This is how we rocking. That bit sexy. Y'all can't tell me that bit ain't sexy. That bit sexy. Huh, wait till I get all this done. I can't wait. We making progress though, man. I might get some SRT rounds. I know I'm finna get some Scat Pack seats. Get my windows retinted. 5%. I gotta get my middle console. I want 5%. Then I gotta get my tail light tinted again. I'm thinking about taking this off and putting the little thing that go right there. Y'all know what I mean. But I don't know. I low-key mess with that. It's hard. But yeah, I'm trying to remodel this whole whip. I gotta get some new door panels. I gotta get more buttons. I gotta fix this window. Cause look, I can't do it now. Y'all don't mind my nails, bro. I've been working. But we finna get some Scat seats. Well, we gonna get the 2 front Scat seats. I'm gonna leave the back. This from the windshield wiper. The windshield stuff. It look like this because this fender right here. You see the headlight ain't pushed all the way up. So the bumper can't go up. See it's scratching it and cracking it. Because this bent down. So you see this one. The gap ain't big. You see? It ain't touching. Well, even though I think it's supposed to. But this side messed up. So we're gonna get this fixed. New fender. I'm gonna get a used one for like $50. I don't know how I did that dumb old jump. Trying to hit a freaking U-turn. And I hit the tree. See? When I pull the bumper up, it's still a little gap because the hood ain't closed. But yeah. I mess with it, man. I jump raw. But man, and we gotta get some badges. I'm thinking about changing the headlights. We almost done with this jump though, man. Maintenance getting in the way. That's what's really slowing me down. Maintenance are getting in the way and all that. So I low-key want to fix this, but I don't know what the name of this. I don't know the name of this. I gotta get these holes covered up. But yeah, man, this hood is from True Fiber. Oh, it's something covering it too. So, but yeah, this hood is from TrueFiber.com. I paid $547 for it. It's on sale right now for $250 if you live in Houston, Texas for pickup. But obviously the shipping cost is gonna be around $200 because it's not little. It don't come in a small UPS truck or no no mail truck. You gotta come on one of those big trucks. So of course shipping gonna be up there in price. So you like this hood, the quality, I mean, I like it better than my last hood. I just had the OEM. If you like it, TrueFiber.com. This is where I got it from. No, I am not sponsored by True Fiber. I honestly just like the hood. This comes from my old hood. But, oh yeah, and it don't have the sprinkler. So you might have to drill holes to do your sprinkler. But I don't really care about sprinklers. I ain't use them no way. I had the whip for like 6 months. I ain't never once used the sprinkler, so why would I complain about it now? But other than that, the hood pretty. I like it. I like it. Thank you to my brother for the help, man. If it wasn't for him, I don't even know what I would have done. Because when I order big stuff, I can't take it to no shop because where I'm gonna put the hood at, it ain't gonna fit in the car. And I don't got no truck, so thank you to him. He came and helped me put it on. You know, usually I have to convince him, but I just like, oh, it's easy, you know, you just gotta screw it in and boom. I take the old hood off, took the old one off by myself, took it in the house by myself, brought this one out by myself, and he just held it for me. So other than that, this hood is, I like it. It gave my car a whole new look. I like it. I mess with it. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if y'all new. And we're gonna drop another video soon, real soon.